dear students, welcome to Sandhya Education Academy. Today we are going to learn and understand an interesting topic from English grammar. And our topic is conjunctions. Today we are going to solve practice worksheet of conjunction. Test your knowledge. Join the sentences using correct conjunctions. Children wanted to play in the park. It was raining. Children wanted to play in the park. मतलब बच्चों को पार्क में खेलना था. It was raining. बारिश हो रही थी. दोनों अपोजिट थिंग्स है. इन दोनों वाक्यों का हमें एक वाक्य तैयार करना है. हम कौन सा कंजंक्शन यूज़ करके इन दोनों वाक्यों को एक वाक्य में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं? Yes, but children wanted to play in the park, but it was raining. We use but to talk about two opposite things. और ध्यान रखना है, हम जब but कंजंक्शन यूज़ करते हैं तब but के पहले लगेगा एक क्वामा. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंसेस आर he cried, he was sad. वो रोया, वो दुखी था. Why did he cry? Because he was sad. He cried because he was sad. We use because to show reason why something is happening. ऐसा क्यों हुआ ये बताने के लिए हम because ये कंजंक्शन यूज़ करते हैं. वो रोया क्योंकि वो sad था. Because का मतलब है क्योंकि. He cried because he was sad. Meera ate the cupcake. Meera ate the tart. Now students, these are two similar types of sentences. In the first sentence, what we get to know? Meera ate the cupcake. Meera ने cupcake खाया. In the second sentence, we get to know Meera ate the tart. Meera ने tart खाया. So students, instead of writing two sentences separately, we can use and conjunction to join both of them. हम and conjunction यूज़ करके इन दो sentences को एक sentence बना सकते हैं. कैसे? चलिए देखते हैं. Meera ate the cupcake and the tart. So students, when do we use conjunction and? We use and conjunction to join two similar things or sentences. यहाँ पर इस सेंटेंस में मीरा ने दो चीज़ें खाई, एक कपकेक और दूसरा टार्ट. तो यहाँ पे हम एंड कंजंक्शन यूज़ करके इन दोनों वाक्यों का एक वाक्य तैयार कर सकते हैं. मीरा एट द कपकेक एंड द टार्ट. सारा कैन टेक अ बस. सारा कैन टेक अ ट्रेन. सारा बस से आ सकती है, सारा ट्रेन से आ सकती है. Now students, through these sentences, what do we get to know? We get to know that Sarah can make a choice between a bus and a train. So instead of writing two sentences separately, we can join these two sentences by using conjunction. Yes, or. So it can be written like this. Sarah can take a bus or a train. When do we use or conjunction? We use or when we have to choose between two things. Next sentence is I was tired. I went to sleep. मैं थकी हुई थी, मैं सोने चली गई. अब इन दो वाक्यों को हम एक साथ कैसे जोड़ सकते हैं? मैं थकी हुई थी इसीलिए मैं सोने चली गई. इसीलिए को हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं सो. आई वॉज टायर्ड सो आई वेंट टू स्लीप. मैं थकी हुई थी इसीलिए मैं सोने चली गई. सो व्हेन डू वी यूज सो? वी यूज सो टू शो द इफेक्ट ऑफ एन एक्शन. Krish ran fast. Krish did not win the race. How will we join these two sentences? Which conjunction will we use over here to join these two sentences? Yes, but Krish ran fast, but Krish did not win the race. Krish तेजी से दौड़ा, पर वो रेस नहीं जीता. We could watch a film, we could watch a magic show. यहाँ पे हमारे पास चॉइस है. हम फिल्म देख सकते हैं या मैजिक शो देख सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे कौन सा कंजंक्शन आएगा? और we could watch a film or a magic show. The road is long. The road is rough. The road is long and rough. It was too hot. I opened the window. It was too hot, so I opened the window. बहुत गर्मी थी, इसीलिए मैंने खिड़की खोली. Lucy is hungry. She didn't eat breakfast. Why is Lucy hungry? Lucy is hungry because she didn't eat breakfast. Lucy is hungry because she didn't eat breakfast. Now complete the sentences using the correct conjunction. Frogs can hop, dash, they can't fly. Options are and, but. दोनों opposite things है. Frogs jump कर सकते, hop कर सकते हैं, उड़ नहीं सकते. यहाँ पर कौन सा conjunction आएगा? Frogs can hop, but they can't fly. Next sentence is Peter has a fever. Fever मतलब बुखार. Peter has a fever. Dash a terrible headache. Headache मतलब सर दर्द होना. Peter has a fever. Dash a terrible headache. कौन सा conjunction आएगा? And or and. Peter has a fever and a terrible headache. Tom studied hard. He failed the test. Tom studied hard, yet he failed the test. Yet का मतलब होता है फिर भी. टॉम ने बहुत कठिन परिश्रम किया, बहुत पढ़ाई की, फिर भी वो फेल हो गया. Jim is happy, dash he won the race. Why is Jim happy? What is the reason behind that? Because he won the race. So here correct conjunction is because. Jim is happy because he won the race. Sam is worried, dash he is late for an important meeting. Why is Sam worried? Because he is late for an important meeting. She bought vegetables, forgot to buy tomatoes. Options are and, but. She bought vegetables, but forgot to buy tomatoes. Harry can't go to work. Dash, he has flu. Options are because and. And the correct option is because. Harry can't go to work because he has flu. She is clever. Dash, beautiful. Or and. And the correct option is and. She is clever and beautiful. The little girl was tired. Dash, she did not want to go to bed. Options are so, yet. The little girl was tired. छोटी सी लड़की थकी हुई थी. She did not want to go to bed. वो सोना नहीं चाहती थी. वो थकी हुई थी, फिर भी वो सोना नहीं चाहती थी. फिर भी, तो यहाँ पे कंजंक्शन आएगा yet. Yet को हिंदी में कहते हैं फिर भी. The little girl was tired. Yet she did not want to go to bed. Finish your vegetables. Dash, you will not have dessert. Options are so or. Finish your vegetables or you will not have dessert. So that's all for today. We will meet again in our next video. Till then, keep learning, keep enjoying. Bye bye.